Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch Sony LED TV that comes to repair for the complaint double image along with color changing problem. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of panel Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. Here this TV comes with single chip on film Samsungpanel. Here we are going to implement the Gatesignals cutting method. First, here we cut down the left side Gatesignals, but the complaint remains same, so we rejoined the cutted tracks and cut down the right side Gatesignals tracks. As results, now here you can see picture comes without any double image or any type of color changing complaints. Now the TV is repaired successfully. Always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.